You can't get up. Yeah, you got it.
Then it's like this, right?
Yeah, then you just pull that back, that top part off and pry there.
There.
You got it.
Okay.
Yeah, so now that you got that, I would do like another rotation. You can kind of spray it down and do
This one?
Yeah, so do another rotation of the chain cleaner, and then you can wipe it off.
Wipe it off the rag?
Yep. Just got the CB250 all cleaned up,
This?
hose down. Yeah, so then you can clean like the sides, but it's also specifically like the tops and inside these rollers.
You mean do this, right?
Huh?
Do this, right?
Yeah, you can do the side and then also, but you want to get in on the top as well, because that'll clean the rollers.
How many rotations do you do on that?
And just until it looks clean. But you can start with one, and if you feel like it needs to go more, then go more. Yep, got like you guys seen, got the new top end in there, new pistons and jugs and oil valve stem seals. Just got her all washed up. She's looking nice and pretty. Ave over here is just cleaning the chain now. The Gixxer just got washed and its chain was cleaned. The FCR is next for a wash, but maybe not today though, because I need to go get a haircut.
Okay. So, what are you doing?
Top?
What are you doing?
That's pretty much. I mean, so now you're gonna take your chain lube. What is that? Yep, that black one.
This one, yeah.
And just do like a light coating on it. You don't have to cake it on there. So just kind of be like light with the nozzle, and then just go one full rotation with that stuff.
Is it like that, right?
Yeah, a little bit more.
Like that?
Yeah, because you'll see it. No, more than that. Way more than that. There you go.
Like
Yeah.
that?
Yeah. So. No, more. Yeah, there you go. Like that. So you're gonna. Yeah. So what I would do is try to get it in the top section.
Oh.
That's where you want that.
No.
Huh? Okay.
You have to do it like that.
Yeah.
Like that. And then out.
What?
Then what?
You got lube on there?
Yeah.
Oh, no, you barely can see any. This stuff comes out white. Let me see.
Oh, it does?
Yeah. So watch. Like that. Slower. Slow down there, Chief. There you go.
Then stop now.
Yep.
Because the black.
Yep, so now what to do then is you take your rag and just kind of scrub it and clean this chain up and make it look nice and pretty. So it looks good? Alright, cool. So now what you're gonna do is just get all your garbage and stuff, and then the rags, and you can throw them in the just throw them in the toolbox and I'll take care of it.
Ow. Hit me.
No, that stuff just goes right there. You can just throw it on there and I'll organize it. You can throw it on the top one. That works.
Maybe get. What do you think?
What?
What do you do with the rags?
You just throw them in the toolbox and I'll take care of it. You can just throw it on. That's good. I'll take care of it. No, don't put them in there.
you might not.
Just throw them in the. Yeah, that's good.
You might not want that right now.
Oh, okay. That's fine.
Yes, where do you want them?
Just throw it on the top shelf. I'll put
Yeah.
some. Yeah, that's fine.
Where did you put it?
I'll take. Yeah, that's fine.
Or did you leave it like this?
That's fine. I'll take care of it. Don't worry. All right. So you ready to pull this thing down? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go on this side of the bike. Okay. I'll show you. You're gonna grab it underneath the seat.
Mm-hmm.
Put your leg, your thigh up against here, and as you pull up, you want the leg down. Okay.
What? You lift this?
Yeah, so grab onto it though, from here. From underneath the frame. And lift that up. There you go. Okay, well, next time not so fast.
Okay.
But you got it done. Pull it out and let it down. Awesome. Hmm?
That was heavy.
Yeah. Now we got a nice clean chain, a nice clean bike, and it's CB250's happy again.